This is the sound, this is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs. Every lousy Monday morning, Heathrow jets go crashing over my home. 10 o'clock and the Broadmoor siren driving me mad, won't leave me alone. The woman next door just sits inside and cries. She hasn't come out once since her husband died.
That's right.
This is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs. They want everything.
They play too fast, they play out of tune. They practice in the singer's bedroom.
The drum's quite good, the bass is too loud and I
can't hear the words. This is the sound.
This is the sound of the suburbs.